Ananya, you want to start?
Mine is very silly.
Arey wow.
Great,
Silly is very good.
I was again on the Furjari packet this Diwali, so that was a really big moment for me once again this year. So it's again the Furjari packet moment for me. I think Karthik will be very serious, so I'm feeling like my answer is very bad.
No, no, meeting Jack Sparrow.
That was
That happened.
Having a conversation about,
What did he say?
he spoke about how everybody was against the fact that how he was playing that character and all that, to get to know this and insight to it. I think, and we had chatted for an hour for just about pirates and Jack Sparrow and that time and how anti-hero and stuff like that, how he made it from the scratch. तो वो कॉन्वर्जेशन करना ही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी. आई वाज थिंकिंग मैं कहाँ ग्वालियर से कहाँ पहुंच गया हूँ और literally we're having a conversation and about an artist sometimes like fights and sometimes fights towards being a rebel in terms of okay, but just to make that character work, just to make that movie work, just to be a hustler technically, and all the hustles I think it gives you a validation कि from चाहे आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो चाहे वेस्ट में कोई ऐसा सोच रहा है हर कहीं ऑटोमेटिकली एक हसल है सबका. And so for me, I think that was one moment where this happened.
That's a great moment. मुझे तो एक और चीज पूछनी है यार. You did मतलब taking a picture with these actors is amazing. You did a Instagram collab with Darren Aronofsky, and I was like, that is a really. And he's like my
He's
friend.
Aronofsky now.
Yeah, I like that. He's like my friend Karthik, and I'm hanging with him. How did you like? What is? Tell me about this friendship.
And why were we push-ups?
Fair.
Actually, Karthik really loves having this push-up competition.
Yeah, because but this time he wanted to have that, and he was technically talking about casting and stuff like that about some film, and उसमें ऐसे push-ups की बातें चल रही थी. So मैंने बस वो बोला कि I do a lot of push-ups and I can really do it well, and he's like, come on, let's do it together. And we started doing push-ups and in the middle of a party, and then suddenly everybody started doing push-ups over there.
So if you want to know what is happening at these incredibly like elite parties of Hollywood and Bollywood celebrities being together, it's push-ups.
But he's
That's
a
what's happening.
cool person, and I think I really had a time of my life. Just to know, just to have those conversations, and I have had conversations with him before. Also, it's not like with him, Johnny Depp, I was meeting for the first time, so I was really excited and happy. With Darren, it was a longer conversation, which I'm really happy about. अभी क्या ही बात कर पुशअप्स बहुत अच्छे थे
बहुत dude, really one very sweet moment and a silly moment and one really